Last night I lost all my patience. You were fucked up.
Go.
I was wasted. Midsummer madness. I can't take it no more. No more. Fucked up.
Can't hide a hot in the black tent. You were off the bullshit and the tablets. Under 21, both savage. All these blurry nights feel the same to me. Heart full of hate, no vacancy. Only one you're gonna blame when it's over. Can't look me in my eyes when you're sober. Hey, I'm the one you call when you're feeling low.
It's a casual stroll down the neighborhood.
I just wanna live in the moment.
Walking off those colored walls.
Trying to see a milli, then be really up. Rockstar crash in my Billy truck. You need all my love. You've got all my love.
Last night I lost all my patience. You were fucked up. I was wasted. Midsummer madness. I can't take it no more. No more. Fucked up. Fucked up.
The next stop is
What if we left today? What if we said goodbye to safe and sound? What if we're hard to find? What if we lost our minds? What if we let them fall behind and they never found?
Let's just start the
And when the lights start flashing like a photo booth and the stars exploding, we'll be fireproof. My youth is yours, tripping on skies, sipping waterfalls. My youth is yours, run away now and forever. My youth is yours, a truth so loud you can't ignore. My youth is yours. What if we start to drive? What if we close our eyes? Speeding through red lights into paradise. Cause we've no time for getting old. What about timeless souls? Crossing fingers, here we go. And when the lights start flashing like a photo booth and the stars exploding, we'll be fireproof.
It's day 6 of our trip, or at least he thinks it's just day 6, but it's the day I finally got on one knee and asked him, what are we? Because every time I try to DTR, he's always like, oh, take me on a date first, but there's a whole ass honeymoon, bro. Anyways, we're going hiking later, so just putting on something casual, something light. And honestly, I don't think he suspects anything, so it should go pretty smooth. Oh, I think that's him, guys, so wish me the best of luck, and I'll see y'all on the other side. No homo! Just enjoying our time here in Venice.
Only fools
You guys are gonna burn. Just trying to take my food. Let me, I got that. Oh, his boy's here.
like a river flows surely to the sea.
Oh, that's
Darling,
waterfall.
so we go. Some things
Out here.
are meant to be. Take my hand take my whole life to all for us.
10 out of 10 will come again.
Falling in love.
Surprise.
He did the mash,
He did the monster mash.
the monster mash.
It was a graveyard
He
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast.
Cut my life into pieces.
The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash,
They did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.